With the QT in the heart of the CBD, I was really excited by the fact there are some guided walking tours around the city. And with 80 by my side, I knew I'd find some hidden gems.
We're going to go down Wolf Lane. So there's a few great bars down Wolf Lane, yes. But there's also some amazing street art.
Okay.
So we're going to see some good street art, both underground art, kind of like these paste up, but there's also a really good range of commissioned art.
With more than 80 walls being used as a canvas for local and international artists in Perth's laneways, there is plenty to look at, and with some of those utilising different media, makes for a fascinating tour.
So here we've got a really cool mural. It's digitally interactive. So you download an app, you see she comes to life on your screen.
Oh, no way. Now, what's this area, 80?
So this is called Elizabeth Quay. The purpose of this is to reconnect the people and the city back with our stunning river. This is a piece called Spander. Spander is a Sanskrit word for divine vibration. So it's kind of showing the vibration or the ripples of the water and connecting the river with the sky. Even though it's so big, it's not too imposing because you can see through it, and it marks the centre really, really well here.